Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about REDnote and you will click here in this page. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that, you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.